Yes guys, and welcome back to the channel. So those of you that are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. Those long-term subscribers, thank you very much for all your support. So we've been in contact with a company called Smart Valeting UK Ltd, and they've kindly given us some products to test and to give away to you guys. So basically, like and subscribe to the channel. We will be giving these products away. We're going to tell you a little bit about the company and show you what products we've got to give away, guys. Smart Valeting UK are a East Midlands based company. They can offer valeting detailing services mobile, and also they do sell cleaning products, so you can keep your car nice and clean. Check out their website, which is smartvaletinguk.com. They are also on Facebook, which is at Smart Valeting UK Ltd. So go give them a like. And also they are on Instagram, Smart Valeting UK. So we're going to get into it. We've got some products to test and to give away. So we have got some duplicates. And we have got interior dressing. You see that there? The next one is non-acidic wheel cleaner. Snow cloud pre-foam wash. Pearl Sham cocktail shampoo. Cherry Bomb Deluxe shampoo. Blue Banana hydrocarbon free wax. Top Banana, excuse the pun, quick shine detailer. We also have some sponges to give away, some applicator pads, and also some Chocolate Delight ceramic wax. All their own products, and a few pens and bits and bobs to give away. So in the coming week or so, we will start the competition off. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and give those guys a like. We will have some videos coming soon on what the products are like to use. And basically how we're going to do it is, if you pop over to our Facebook page, which is Rich ST YouTube channel, give us a like on there, and then those that are subscribed to the channel, we'll be doing a competition where we pick at random either individual winners, or we'll give this out as a package prize. Thank you for watching the video, and thank you to Smart Valeting UK Ltd for supplying the products. We will have a video coming soon on us using these products. I've let the car get really dirty, so you can see them what they do best. Don't forget to give them a like on Facebook and follow on Instagram. Likewise for the Rich ST YouTube channel. Please keep sharing, please keep supporting. Thank you guys. We'll see you soon.